So we've got Cameron here in the teen driving school at the Mercedes-Benz of Sugar Land teen driving school. We're doing the autocross course right now. How you feeling about this, Cameron?
Good.
So I was watching your hands. When you go into that hard corner, you kind of do this.
Okay.
You kind of wrap your hand over. I want to see more of this, and then this hand come off like this. You should never have to go more than 90 degrees. Let's try to learn to use a little bit more track. This will teach you the boundaries of the car. So when you're driving into that tight corner in the middle of the track, let's try to stay a little bit more set up to the right. That way you have a little more angle. It's like geometry. That's better. Much better. Let's see here. Good. Oh, yeah. Not skidding. We have a good amount of traction. And then all of a sudden, the car skids. We're going to correct it, and then we're going to turn back.
Oh, wow.
See how the car winds up going straight?
Yes.
But we were sideways at one
Yeah.
point. I'm going to show you what happens if I don't snap, if I don't correct the car. Yeah, turn it back. This is a little aggressive, so just be ready.
Oh,
That's what happens when you don't correct it.
yeah.
One more this way, and then we're going to turn it around. Here we go.
Oh.
Well, we're turned around. You did it on purpose. You just want to go this way. Let's go this way. Pretend you're on a highway going through a corner, or a back road going through a corner, and it's wet out,
Right.
and you're about to lose control and go into a ditch. What are you going to do to save it? Let's see it.
Wow.
That was great.
Wow. Yay.
Excellent. Here we go. Best one yet. See how smooth that was at the very end?
Yeah.
It's like no jerk at all.